Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Apex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with an iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the light button, and you can keep holding the button until you see the Coros logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you probably will see the QR code on the screen. So once you see the code, you will need to download and install the Coros application on your iPhone. I recommend to check if you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, now you can open the App Store on your iPhone. So let's open the App Store. In the App Store you can tap on search, then on the search bar type in Coros and tap on search. And on the list you should see the Coros application right here. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the get button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. After the application opens, you will see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. For example, Bluetooth permission. This one is required, so tap on OK. Next we have the notification permission. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't want to use this feature, you can deny it. I'm gonna allow it, but you can deny it if you want. And here we have the privacy policy and terms of service. So you can tap on allow. And as you can see now, we need to log in into Coros account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on sign up right here to make a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on login. And I'm gonna log in, so give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and after you log in, you will see this page, and as you can see, we're being asked if you want to pair new Coros watch. We want to do it, so let's tap on scan QR code, tap on OK to allow the permission for the camera, and this will open the camera app. And basically what we need to do is to point the iPhone's camera on the watch to scan the QR code from the screen. So I'm gonna pick up the iPhone and point the camera on the watch. Once the phone scans the QR code, it will start pairing the devices. When you see this pop-up, tap on pair, then tap on set up your watch. And here we can set up a couple of things for our watch. Also, you may see more pop-ups about the permissions. For example, again, notifications. So if you want to use the notifications on your watch, allow this. If you don't, you can deny it. And now we can select preferred hand. Then we can tap next. Direction of the buttons. And then we can tap next. Here we can set the goal for the calories, I believe. So you can do it like this by swiping on the slider. You can also tap here and type in the value if you want to. Here we can set up our favorite activities, and you can remove them by tapping on the minus button. You can also add more of them by tapping on the plus button. So set up this to your liking and then tap next. And here we can set the sleep time. So basically when you go to bed, and you can do it by swiping up and down on the minutes and hours, and then you can tap next. And right here we can set up notifications. So basically if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to enable them right here. And once you enable them, you can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps, as you can see, for WhatsApp, Gmail. We can also do it for calls, text messages, emails. And if you don't see the application you want to receive the notifications from on your watch, on this list right here, you can always enable the others option. And this option enables notifications for every app on your iPhone that is not on this list, basically. And once you're done, tap next. As you can see, we have the firmware update available. So if you want to, you can update your watch by tapping on update now. I recommend to check the battery level before, or plug the watch to the charger if you want to update your watch. I'm gonna tap on later, do it later. And now we can tap on guide to see the tutorial on how to use the watch. But I'm just gonna tap on start, tap on OK, And here we have it. As you can see, we are logged in. On our profile page, we have the Apex Pro right here. You can tap on it to enter the device page, and our devices are paired together. So that's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.